Greetings, fellow productivity seekers. I'm Garland Coulson, Captain Time, and today I want to talk to you about building your own AI prompt template library and why it can help you. So first off, this is just Gemini. This is a AI tool, one of the ones I use. I use multiple ones, but I thought I would just choose this. So usually we jump into the chat here and we just type down here our AI prompt, and we go ahead and we hit enter, and that works fine. The problem is you're rewriting the AI prompt every time, and maybe you found a really great prompt a few times ago, but you can't remember exactly what the wording was. So instead of this, what I do whenever I do a new prompt is I write the prompt here, but then I add it, I save it so that I can easily insert it later. And the tool that I save it in is called TextBlaze. And I've done a previous review on TextBlaze, so I'll add the link in the description there. So I open up TextBlaze, and you see here I have a folder called AI prompts. And then what happens is I have a ton of different prompts for a wide range of things that I'm doing that I can create here. The prompts can have variables in them. They can have keyboard presses. There's a lot of things you can do with it. So as an example, here's one I have called P Digest, which creates a news digest for me. And so if I go back to Gemini and I type in /P Digest, it automatically drops in the whole prompt here to create me a personal daily digest of local news, world news, tech news, image of the day, today's fact, word of the day, this day in history, and an AI prompt and some other information that might be of interest to me as a Canadian. So when I scroll down here, you'll see here's my local news. I live in Spruce Grove, which is right by Edmonton. So they've got a measles exposure warning, a Pretzel Development Day for schools, afternoon shinny day, free public skating, Edmonton Winter City Strategy, some Canadian news, AI funding for the North, African Music Festival investment, etc. Down below, some world news going on here, some tech news going on here. And of course, it shows me the sources here, so I can click on any of these to learn more. Image of the day, then I'm getting the pale blue dot for Voyager 1. Today's fact, people spend an average of 6 months of their life waiting for red lights to turn green. A word of the day, sartorial, relating to a tailor or tailored clothes. This day in history, an AI prompt that you can check out. In this case, some Canadian notes. So as you can see, I dropped in there in seconds, went incredibly fast. One tip is you notice I've added enter to the end of this, and that is done when you're creating this by choosing the key press over here. And I just chose key press, and then I chose to add the enter enter area. And that means I don't have to hit enter on my keyboard or click on it each time. That doesn't sound like a lot of time savings, but it does save just because it immediately inserts that in there. So let's look at another one that might be useful here. Let's look at social media messages. We all have to do those. So what I've done here is I've got write a warm and enticing 300 characters social media message from Captain Time, including emojis for this. And then I have a drop-down menu where you can choose blog post, meme, networking event, workshop invitation, YouTube video on the topic of, and then I have a URL that can go in there as well. So let's just go ahead and go back to our thing here, go /P social. And it says, what is this about? Is it a blog post, a meme, YouTube video, etc.? Go YouTube video on the topic of time blocking. And I won't put a URL in this time because I don't have it one for that right now. Go insert. And once again, it's going to put that in there. And then it's going to go ahead and work on this. So TextBlaze is a text expander. It allows you to quickly insert anything you want with just a few keystrokes. It looks like I did find one of my time blocking videos. There we go. So, and so this gives me the social message, hello business family, ready to reclaim your day. Here's how time blocking can be your productivity superpower. And it even found one of my time blocking links and included it in there. So third one, here's a workshop topic generator that I use. Once again, I can add a key press here at the end to go ahead and add the enter key, which I'm starting to add to all these now. So let's go. And I choose the shortcut up here. So I'm choosing /p topic as my way to call this up. So this can be anything you want. I use /p is short for prompt, but you can use anything you want. Could be /AI or whatever. So let's go /p topic. And so we want to brainstorm some workshop titles on the topic of, so something relating to time. Let's go time blocking and insert, and automatically it drops in there, and it gives me like a heroic series. Time blocking is a productivity superpower. Defeating Dr. Distraction by mastering the block. The Fortress of Focus. I like that one. And so these are just fun. You can choose which one of these you want to use. Blast off, launching your business with time blocks. Zero to hero, transform your calendar, command your calendar, time blocking secrets of the productivity superhero, etc. So the focus here is find those prompts, write them, get them working really well, and then save them as AI prompt templates in a text expander like TextBlaze, and it will save you a ton of time each week. Pro tip: ask uh, your your ask your AI to write your prompts for you. You'll be surprised at how well that works. Thanks so much for listening. Please hit the like and subscribe button to help others find this YouTube video. Thank you. And please share this content with others. We really appreciate your support.